Today start with 7th class science as activity sheet. Second, say let's understand. Layer of soil, constituents of soil, humus. See reference of 6th standard chapter 1st natural resources, air, water and land. Learning outcome. Make efforts to protect the environment, for example minimizing wastage of food, use of water, uses of electricity and generation of waste, spreading awareness to adapt rainwater harvesting, care of plantation, etc. It is a learning outcome. Next, let's take a look. Air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining the living worlds on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs. They are called the natural resources. They are the definition of natural resources. Air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining the living worlds on the earth and fulfilling their basic needs, called as natural resources. Air, water and land are called the earth, atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively. There is the air is the atmosphere, water is the hydrosphere and land is the lithosphere. Next, soil and layer of soil. Land is seen in the form of stone, soil and big rocks. All terrestrial animals included man live on land. This means that they use of land for fulfilling their needs. We also use land of farming and for building house and roads. We make use the plants and animals in the forest that grow on land. The minerals, crude oil and natural gases obtained from the earth are very important for us. It means that land is an important source. Let us exactly what land is made of in the following figure. See, if the land has mature soil and topmost layer is formed by the decomposition of the remains of plants and animals, this layer is called a humus. See the plant, a dead plant and animal. See the humus like is a decomposition of. See next, the process of soil information is slow and continuous. It takes about 1,000 years for a 2.5 centimeter thick layer of mature soil to form. Soil can get destroyed in a short period due to fluid, storms and human activities such as minimizing. That is why it is necessary to conserve soil and to prevent corrosion and land. The best remedy for this is increases and green cover of the land. Erosion of land is reduced of grass, trees and bushes are growth in it. Next, the activity. Let's try this. You are try this activity. See dry leaves, soil, sand, small stones and big stones. See the activity. First, take a transparent plastic bottle, a handful of soil, some stone, sand, some dry leaves and water. Second is a cut of a upper tapering part of bottle. Put the rest of the material in the lower part and water. See, third, stir the mixture. Is all the mixture of dry leaves, soil, sand, small stone, big stone is a stir the mixture thoroughly and put aside. Observe the next day this activity as a see the in a next day and answer. How does the mixture in the bottle look now? Does see layer in it? Was it seen the different layer from top to bottom? See in a diagram to answer of the three questions. Next, humus. Humus is the layer formed on soil due to the decomposition of dead plants and animals by microbes. Humus supplies nutrients to the soil. Humus is also important for aggregating the soil and for holding water in the soil. The proportion of humus in the upper layer of good fertile soil in a 33% to 5% about is the of the introduction part of the chapter. And let's the practice of the questions, all the answer. See, first question, correct the sentence and write them down again. See, first A, it takes about 1,000 years of a 25 centimeter thick layer mature soil to form. Answer, it takes about 1,000 years for a 2.5 centimeter thick layer of mature soil to form. And the next question, land and soil both are same thing. Answer, land and soil are the different thing. And the next question, question 2, what happens if the microbes of the soil are destroyed? Answer, the decomposition process in the soil is done by the microbes. The weathering of rocks is also done to some extent by microbes. If all the microbes in the soil are destroyed, the process of decomposition and weathering would not take place. The humus will not be formed. Due to lack of decomposition process, the dead and decaying matter will remain scattered everywhere on the earth is the answer of the question second. Next question 3. Suggest prevents a measure of erosion of soil. Answer, the best remedy of this to increases to green cover on the land. Erosion poplin is reduced to if grass, trees and bushes are grown in it. As a fourth question, what you and your friend will do be plantation and conversion of trees. See the answer the question, importance of trees, forest and the green cover of the earth are well known. These are our best and most valuable friends. Trees and forest play a very vital role in the growth and development of human society. They are also important of beasts, birds and other form of life. Is the answer the question in a conversation and plantation of the trees. Thank you watching my video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Comment is a comment box right here. Thank you.